No man now work again. No man now work again. What's that? No man now work. Every man want beg. As so much I be a crop there.
You can't do not the TikTok beggars them, you know. Tap his screen. Because it take hard work and dedication to grow your platform so you can have an audience, so you can beg. Let the man them hustle. It better them do this than chop a line and shoot each other. It better them do this than come stick me up and stick you up when you visit Jamaica or fellow Jamaicans who live in Jamaica. Yeah, so go on, chop a TikTok. Tap.
Nolan is in the lead, but Nolan takes the corner wide. But look at in front. It's gatekeeper. Gatekeeper coming. Nolan is going in, but it's gatekeeper. Ace. It's gatekeeper coming in. What a run by gatekeeper.
Yeah, I am in love roots.
What a run.
Yeah, I am in love roots.
What a run. Wonderful run.
When me tell us that Jamaica nice. This is what I'm talking about. The community come out and I enjoy the horseback riding race. Yeah, man. People on the roadside sell some juice and everybody's area make some money. Jamaica nice.
But already mama bomb rascal is your god. Suppose the blood clot man, but me bomb clot back. Hey man, come on, me blood clot back, man. Get up out of me bomb clot back, and you bust me bad.
Swim pool.
Oi, man, you bust me blood clot back, you know. Man, you bust me pussy clot back.
Actually, me feel Polish, mama.
Get up out of the bad, black man.
Alright. Pool.
Black man, take up your big old sour bomb clot out of me bad.
Wait a minute. Yeah, grandma used a lot of explicits because the boy had disturbed grandma peace. But where grandma just call him black man? When was he ever? Grandma, he's no longer black. That's brown man. Brother, you need to change the name.
Never eat no uncooked meat, not touch my teeth, not see money, cannot talk about she sweet, some boy some cast under concrete, never sweet, never, ooh, pull it up there.
You know, a rum caused this, you know. Look how the person lay down in them grave and rest in peace, and Rasta gone disturb them. Anyways, if you want to watch more funny video, just click the link that's below the name of the channel. Bless.
I want chiplet. You know, just meet you.
Jeruam.
What can't you run for?
Alright.
The homeless is a baby.
Jeruam.
I am fuck.
Jeruam.
I'm a cancer.
You see me a fuck?
I mean, see a fuck. Because you're good looking and sweet and nice.
You see me a fuck?
You feel like cocky?
You see me?
You feel like cocky? I take off for I'm going to
Stop playing with me here. You see me a fuck?
You know I take good.
You see me?
I bet I'm sexy, I'm going to suck it.
Jerry.
Open man, I don't know, man.
You see me have sex?
No, I don't see I have sex.
Okay. You see me with man? You see me with man?
No.
Alright.
No. So man don't pay you?
Alright then.
Man don't pay you?
Alright.
You don't have the eagle eye?
Okay.
You don't, I'm saying something big.
Hey!
Onto the eagle eye.
How much time tell you so woman pussy in a big man?
Yeah man, it's big. Hey, if you don't want about big hole, you know, me rim it. I rim me have a blood clot rim it. So I'm not responsible for big hole. I'm on the side of it, I dig out that. Company and dig out. It's a touch with a split with it. I'm going to go circle my head. All an inch in there. Swell up in there and big. Your people them coming and your people them not on here.
Nobody can come to me.
One Jerome, aka Jerry Spring, on a easy, you know, all up in our lady business. But then again, him and Bella par, so that is it. Jerry definitely keep you entertaining. I swear, a real drama man. Anyways, like up the video for me, please. Leave a comment, please. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed as yet. And then share the video to a friend, a neighbor, your wife, your ex-wife, your ex-husband. Just share it, because sharing is caring. Bless.